what's up guys? So we're back with another video. I'm playing this idle button clicker game. Just click the button, like pressing it. And yeah, apply these upgrades and then give me clicks per second and get a bunch of money. Yeah, and I don't know if it's gonna be that good a game because it didn't have many good ratings, but it seems fun to me. Seems pretty fun. There's like 500. It's a little bit like click a lot for that. I like the go and buy a lot of these things before you try to get that. Oh, there's ads. I don't want to watch ads. No. Not watching ads right now. Internet. So it's idle button clicker. I think that's what it's called. 5. Oh, there's 7 of those clicking. I'm just gonna try to get to 500 now. I can only get 10 of those. So that's 9, and then I can get one more. That's like 88. So. I got 10 of them. So it's not clicking that fast, but at least I got something going. Clicking like it's going like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Boom, I just clicked by myself. I scored. It's going pretty fast. I could get to 500 pretty quickly, so this game's pretty fun. I don't know why it has no good ratings. It doesn't have any stars. I don't get it. It's pretty good to me. Yeah, it sounds pretty good. Now we're at 500. I'll buy it. What does that do? Wow! That's so good, bro. That's great. I really saved the 500 for that. Really? For that? Oh my god, this game's... Oh, but like, they level up, so that's pretty cool. Because he's level 0 right now. Now he's level 1. So now it makes 8. And every time I get jumped on it, it makes, every time it jumps on it, it goes up a little bit in the level bar, so that's cool. And now this makes 2 every time. And then when I click, it makes 2 too. I do too. So I'll just go like. So it's getting pretty fun. I like it. I hope it gets better ratings from the video I'm making currently. Yeah, I like it. I like it. Pretty fun. So that's up over $1,000 now. I'm gonna get it. Or should I get another runner? I'm gonna get another runner. Okay, so another runner is gonna be 900. And now that runner is once my runner jumps on it one more time, he should be level 2. That was level 2, so that's good. Does that go for like all of them? Yes, it goes for all of them. So the runners are pretty good. I want to buy a skilled runner. That's a lot. I'm gonna save it for one of these. I'm gonna save it for another cursor. No, I make 13 every time they jump on it. So that's pretty good. I like this. It's really fun. Wait, what is that wizard hat? What is that gonna do? Probably gonna play this game off camera, and I'm just gonna get like a lot of stuff. This takes so long. And now let's get it. There you go. 5. I don't want to read it. Now 4. So it's 4. Wait. But it's about to level up. We're about to level up. The runner's about to level up. Oh. So look, it's going to 698. But these curses are not 4, so I should just get some more of these. Yeah, I'm just gonna buy a bunch of cursors until it gets above 1,000, because that's gonna make me a lot of money. Level 3. How much will they make at level 3? See, it's going up. 18. That's pretty good. I'm just gonna keep buying some more curses. Wait, that's how much money I've made? $5,000 I've made. Oh, pretty good. Oh, 6,000. Okay. Buy. That's a lot. Which probably gonna make like an 8 every time. But I think I want to save up for another runner. I'm gonna save for another runner, which is I can get that. Okay. Keep clicking. We're almost there. A little bit more, and we're there. Oh yeah, 3. That gives me 18. Bam. That's pretty good. And they're almost level 4. Okay, so it's pretty fun. For that.
Dad is making
recording.
the mac and cheese.
I'm recording.
Dad is
I'm
making the mac
recording.
and cheese.
I'm recording.
Okay, Dad's still making mac and cheese.
Okay, I'm recording.
Okay, Dad's still making mac and cheese.
I know. Dang this clicking game. Hold on. I love seeing better. I'm like 7 every time. Oh guys, like and subscribe. Goodbye.